All right. So on the starfish, this little round circle on the aboral side is called the sieve plate, the madreporite plate. And this is where they pull in water so that they can inflate these little sucker feet on the bottom side, these little pieces in the middle. These are the sucker feet here. I'm kind of having to go left-handed. I'm not very agile. There are eye spots on the end, and they are called echinoderms because they have spiny skin. And they also will have a lead arm on this one. This one kind of looks separate from these. Perhaps this one is the lead arm, maybe, possibly. Okay, check on the oral side of the starfish. That's the extrusable cylindrical mouth that can be used to inject the digestive juices into the prey and then suck the digested prey back into the body of the starfish, into the stomach. And by the way, the middle portion where the little sucker feet are, that's called the ambulacral groove, as compared to the ambulacral ridge on the top side of this section.